Hi everyone, it is Summer with AstariaSen, and I am doing the 12 crafts of Yule for 2019. If you are just joining in, it doesn't matter if it's day 11 or if it's day 5. Please feel free to look back among the videos. There's lots of different things that I'm doing. They're all going to be simple crafts, mainly stuff that you can find around the house or cheap crafts. I get most of my materials at the dollar store or just found items or even thrift store type stuff. So the idea is to give you guys a craft you can do yourselves for gifts, for tree decorations, for altars, whatever kind of thing you want to do. And I'm leaving it open to interpretation so you guys can kind of just do it however you'd like. So I hope you guys enjoy this series. All right, so we finished up the crystal garden and I wanted to show you my final piece. I did add some extra things to it, and I know the video was super short because this was a super easy craft to do, and I also wanted to give you a little bit of tips that you can use with this. So here's mine. I will show it to you. I added some glitter paint to the inside where, let me sit up here, where the moss is, and also to the edging right here where the crystals can lay, because I wanted it to look sparkly because I'm a glitter person and that's just the way it is for me. But so I added that, but that's about it. I mean, you can do pretty much anything that you want. You don't have to leave the sides open. You can do your moss or dirt or whatever you want to add all the way up the sides if you would like. You can do it in different forms too. You do not have to do it in a glass form. Here's a little teacup that I started that has the moss inside of it. And then there's the candle holders you can get from the dollar store like this. And these would be great for little crystal holders, little crystal gardens. I mean, they would look perfect for that. And then the other thing I wanted to tell you is that this right here can also work as a candle holder. You don't have to use it for just crystals. There's candles, any kind of decoration that you would like. And if you want to make it Yule related, you can add Yule colorings to it. This is a slice of agate that I got at my local metaphysical shop, but I'm pretty sure that you can find them online fairly cheaply. There's just a whole bunch of things that you can do with this kind of project to make it completely yours. And it's a great gift to give somebody else, especially if they enjoy crystals. So that's the craft for today, and I will see you guys again for the next one.